Here, linear, linear is a straight line. Anything you say linear, right there, is a straight line. So y equals mx plus b is the equation. M here we put 2, b here we put 4. So y equals 2x plus 4, right? And graph it. You know how to graph this, up 2 over 1. And then I can do this really fast. So let's look at this. Since we know how to graph x0, y is 4. That's the y-intercept. x1 right here, y is 6. x negative 3, y is negative 2. Or, that's to me is easier than plugging it in to here. And plug in 0, 2 times 0, you get 4. Plug in 1, you get 6, etc., etc. For me, it's just easier to graph and find the answer because we know how to graph now. Okay, what's the slope of the line? 2. What's the y-intercept? 0, 4. What's the x-intercept? Okay, y-intercept, see this dot that's on this, I'll do it in red, that's on the y line. The x-intercept is the dot on the x line, and that is negative 2, 0. Okay? Every point in the graph represent a solution of the equation. That means you put it in there, you put in 0, you get 4. Okay, every point is a solution. All right. This one here, quadratic, A goes here, 1, B's here, C is there, so y equals to 1x squared, or 1 can be invisible, plus b. X, b is, in this case, is 2. X and c is minus 5. Okay, use that. You substitute in. I'm going to start with 0. Okay, I'm going to start with 0. I'm going to work with positive numbers. Okay, 0. If I put in 0 into x, all this here is 0. So I have 0 squared plus 2 times 0 plus minus 5 is a negative 5. Okay, I need to see this work. No answers only. And then I put in 1, so 1 squared plus 2 times 1 minus 5, that's 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Okay, let's graph this. Okay, I'll do this in green. 0, negative 5, 0, negative 5 down here. 1, negative 2, 1, negative 2, right? Oh, that's a 1 right here, negative 2 here. And then 2, so it's 2 squared plus 2 times 2 minus 5. 4 plus 4 is 8 minus 5 is 3. 2, 3 right there. Okay, and then I'll do negative 1. I'm trying to find the vertex. Negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1 minus 5. That's 1 plus negative 2. That's negative 1. That's negative 6. So negative 1, negative 6. I think that's the vertex. Right there. Axis of symmetry too. So this is, that means the 2, this negative 2, will be exactly right here. Because this will be like a mirror of it. That right here of 0, negative 5, that's we call an axis of symmetry because it's symmetrical on both sides. Right there, okay. I'll draw another line. So that's axis of symmetry. This is called the vertex. So if you put in negative 2, you should get negative 5 as an answer. So you get, we'll find out, negative 2 squared plus 2 times negative 2 minus 5. This is 4, a positive 4, plus a negative 4 is 0, and 5 is -5 right there. So knowing that, we know that this spot will be right over here. It's 2 away from there, and this is 2 away, so it's right there. So 3 will be a -2. Okay, so we got our dots so far. And then our last one, -4, this is, because so messy here, 3 away from this axis of symmetry. So it's going to be a 3 away, it's going to be right there. So at -3, at -4 here, -4, it has a +3, like up here. Okay, so you don't have to do the math. Once you get one side of the parabola, this line of symmetry will help you find the other side. Okay, that's the purpose of the axis of symmetry, is really important. Okay, so this is a linear function, so it's 2 over 3x minus 1, so it starts at -1, go up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3, go down 2 over 3 this way. Okay, so at 0, it's -1. At 3 here, it's 1. At -3, it's at -3. Okay? Slope of the line, 2 over 3, the y-intercept, 0, -1. Well, when y is 0, it's xy. What is x? Okay, when y is 0 right here, what's x? X is right there, about 1.3. Guess 1.3 or 1 all the way 1.5. You estimate. Okay, and then you do the same here. Quadratic. X squared, that's -2. That means it's going down. Plus 4x, and that's a +3. So I'm going to stick with my positive. I'm going to do these 4. Most likely, this is the vertex, okay? Axis of symmetry is at 1, looks like. We'll find out. We'll start with 0. 0 is an easy number to do, right? You put in 0. 0 squared times -2 plus 4 times 0, add 3 is going to be 3. So 0, 3 is your answer there. 0, +3. It's going to go down. 1, put 1, -2 times 1 squared plus 4 times 1 plus 3. That gets you -2 plus 4 plus 3 is a 5 there, 1, 5. That doesn't look right. Should be going down. 0, it's at 3, makes sense. 1, is 5. Shouldn't be going up. Okay, 1, 5 right there. Trust it. Okay, 2. Oh, this is the vertex, that's why it's further up. Okay. -2 times 2 squared plus 4 times 2, add 3. So you get 4 times -2 is -8. Add 8 plus 3 is a 3. So 0, 2, 3 right there. Oh, look. Okay. It's the exact same distance from this other one, because this is your axis of symmetry right there. So if you get one side, you get the other side. Okay. So 3, -2, I'll do this in, gosh, okay. -2 times 3 squared plus 4 times 3, add 3. That's 12, that's 6, that's negative. That's 9. 9 times -2 is -18. Add 3. That's -3. So 3, -3 down here. So it's 2 away. So you have 2 away from here. So at -2, it's also a -3 there. Okay? Same answer as 3. All right, what is -1 then? -1 should be 3. Oh no, it should be -3 here. Yeah, this is -1 right here. Wrong one, Miss Chor. Gets confusing with all the lines there. But that's my last one. See, notice my last one is empty. I need to leave it empty on the last one. That was second to the last. And this is -1 here. I get really confused. My eyes. Okay, put 4 in. -2 times 4 squared plus 4 times 4. That's -32 plus 16. That's -16. Plus 3. That's negative. That's 9. That is -19. This answer is -4. 0 is here. So 4 is here, -19. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. No, 13, because it's 16. -16 plus 3 is 13. Not 19. Gosh darn it. That's -13. Because this is right here is -16. Plus 3 is -13. So this is also -13. Right here. So it's 3 away from line of symmetry, so it's right there. And then connect the dots, you get your U shape. Oops, not a straight line. It's a parabola like that. Arrows at the end because it continues. Okay, now the front side is this one. And vertex is 0. That's axis of symmetry. I do the positive. 0, you get 0 because 0 here squared times 0. Then you put in 1. 1 squared is 1 times 3 is 3. So 0, 0. 1, 3. And then put in 2 in there. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So 2, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, right there. Okay. That's a half of the parabola. The other half, this is the axis of symmetry here. Is on this side. So -1 is going to be 3 here. The last one is going to be 12. -1. -1 is here. 3 is there. And then 2, -2 is right here. Go up to 12 there. Okay. Same thing here. This is 0. Okay. So this is R is 3. Start with 0, and there is 0. That's your axis of symmetry right here. Put in 2. 2 squared is 4. Divide the answer is 2. So 2, 2. Negative 2 must be 2 also then. The last one you put in 4. 4 squared is 16. 2 into 16 is 8 times. 4, 8. Okay, 8 is there. Erase that. Negative 4 must be also 8. Notice it's a half, so it's wider than these ones that are whole. These are not narrow. Okay, same thing here. This is a negative, so it's going to be going down. Notice these are positive. It went up. So this graph will be going down. You 0 first. I'm at the center. 0. Put 0 there. 0. Okay. And then put 1 in there. 1 squared is 1. So you negative 3. 1, negative 3. So negative 1 is also negative 3. And then put in 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 times that is negative 12. 2, negative 12. 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, that one looks like that. So the other one, because this is axis of symmetry, is 2 from there, so it's right here. It's also negative 12. Okay. You do that for all of these. It's not too hard. If you want to do this one you know it's going up because it's a positive. This one's going down because it's a negative. Okay. Start with 0. 0. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Oops, wrong spot. That's your axis, that's your vertex. You put in 1, 1 squared is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So at negative 1, it's also 1. And then you put in 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, minus 1 is 7. 2, 7. And the other answer is right there, 7 also. Okay, I hope this one's the same thing, just going down. Because it's a negative leading coefficient. It's negative. Hope this helps you for those who are absent.